Fujifilm has long occupied a unique position in the mirrorless camera market, instantly recognizable for its retro-inspired designs, tactile analog-style dials, and a distinctive palette of film simulation colors. These elements have helped the brand cultivate a loyal following of photographers who value a deeply engaging, hands-on shooting experience. Each Fujifilm camera is more than just a technical tool, it's a vehicle for creative expression, designed to connect the photographer directly with the process of image making. The launch of the Fujifilm X-Pro6, the latest entry in the esteemed X-Pro series, exemplifies this philosophy. Rather than focusing purely on raw specifications, the X-Pro6 embodies Fujifilm's commitment to craftsmanship, tactile control, and the immersive, deliberate shooting experience that has become the hallmark of the X-Pro lineage. The X-Pro series has always targeted a niche segment of photographers, those who appreciate rangefinder-inspired designs, hybrid optical/electronic viewfinders, and a shooting style that encourages careful composition and thoughtful engagement. While every new model inevitably raises the question of performance, value, and relevance, the central question for potential buyers and enthusiasts alike is clear: is the Fujifilm X-Pro6 truly worth the investment? Can it live up to the high expectations set by its predecessors and the dedicated following of the X-Pro series? Does it deliver tangible advantages for modern photographers, particularly in hybrid workflows that combine stills and video, or is it primarily a beautifully designed retro camera with a premium price tag? To answer these questions, it's essential to examine the X-Pro6 from multiple angles. This analysis looks at its design philosophy, build quality, and ergonomics, while also evaluating its imaging performance, color science, and usability across different shooting scenarios. The camera's integration with Fujifilm's X-mount lens ecosystem is another key factor, as is its positioning within the broader mirrorless market, where competition is intense and technological innovation is relentless. Ultimately, the goal is to determine whether the Fujifilm X-Pro6 represents a smart purchase, a tool that balances artistry and functionality, or a desirable but optional luxury for enthusiasts. The heritage of the X-Pro series provides important context. Since the release of the original X-Pro 1, the series has consistently prioritized a rangefinder-inspired shooting experience, combining classic design with modern mirrorless technology. Subsequent models, the X-Pro 2 and X-Pro 3, introduced incremental improvements alongside bold innovations, such as the hybrid viewfinder and the unique hidden LCD screen on the X-Pro 3. These cameras have never aimed to be universally appealing. Instead, they cater to a segment of the photographic community that values thoughtful design, physical control, and an immersive, deliberate shooting process over maximum frame rates or megapixel counts. In a market dominated by cameras that constantly push technical specifications, the X-Pro series offers a distinctly photographer-centric alternative, a camera that emphasizes quality, precision, and tactile engagement over sheer speed. The anticipation surrounding the Fujifilm X-Pro6 is fueled in part by this lineage. Early rumors and official statements suggest that the camera introduces meaningful generational improvements, both in imaging technology and in ergonomics. While full specifications remain somewhat opaque at this stage, expectations are high for upgrades to sensor performance, autofocus, and film simulation capabilities, along with refinements to the body design and control layout. The X-Pro6 is expected to carry forward the series' tradition of meticulous build quality, likely featuring a robust metal alloy construction, comprehensive weather sealing, and a carefully considered arrangement of physical dials. Such features are not mere aesthetics, they contribute directly to the tactile satisfaction and immersive shooting experience that define the X-Pro series. One of the X-Pro6's most notable qualities is its hybrid viewfinder, which has become synonymous with the series' philosophy. By allowing photographers to switch seamlessly between optical and electronic viewing, the camera provides a versatile shooting experience that encourages thoughtful composition. Combined with tactile dials and physical controls, the hybrid viewfinder creates a sense of intentionality and connection, making each shot a deliberate act of creation rather than a rapid-fire technical exercise. For many photographers, this hands-on approach is a primary reason to choose the X-Pro line over other mirrorless options that emphasize digital automation and electronic menus. Design and build quality are integral to the X-Pro6's perceived value. Fujifilm has consistently demonstrated a willingness to embrace bold design choices that prioritize user experience, even at the expense of conventional expectations. The hidden screen on the X-Pro 3 is one example, designed to encourage photographers to focus on composition and framing rather than constantly reviewing images. The X-Pro6 is expected to continue this approach, with refinements that enhance usability without compromising the series' minimalist aesthetic. This includes an ergonomic grip, improved button placement, and possibly slight adjustments to weight and balance to accommodate longer shooting sessions comfortably. Such refinements may seem subtle, but for photographers who spend hours in the field, they have a meaningful impact on usability and shooting satisfaction. Imaging performance is another critical factor in evaluating the X-Pro6. While the camera is not necessarily about chasing the highest megapixel count, it is expected to feature a next-generation sensor with improved dynamic range, low light capabilities, and color reproduction. Fujifilm's film simulations, already a major selling point, are rumored to receive updates in the X-Pro6, further enhancing the creative options available to photographers. These improvements, combined with faster and more reliable autofocus, aim to make the camera a versatile tool for a wide range of professional and enthusiast applications, from street photography and travel work to studio and hybrid still/video projects. Integration with Fujifilm's X-mount lens ecosystem is another strength of the X-Pro6. The X-Pro series has always benefited from a rich selection of high-quality lenses, from fast primes to versatile zooms, allowing photographers to tailor their kit to specific needs. The X-Pro6's design and performance enhancements are expected to maximize the potential of these lenses, ensuring sharp, high-quality results that leverage both the camera's sensor and Fujifilm's renowned optical engineering. This synergy between body and lens is a hallmark of the brand and an important consideration for any potential buyer. Despite its many strengths, the Fujifilm X-Pro6 comes with a premium price tag, raising questions about value. The decision to invest is inherently subjective and depends on how much a photographer values design, tactile experience, and the unique shooting philosophy of the X-Pro series. In markets where import duties and local pricing inflate costs further, these considerations become even more critical. Buyers must weigh the experiential benefits, the hybrid viewfinder, tactile controls, and thoughtfully designed ergonomics, against the objective performance of competing models in the XT or XH lines, which may offer higher technical specifications at lower prices. The X-Pro6 also reflects Fujifilm's broader strategic vision. The series occupies a defined niche within the company's mirrorless lineup, targeting photographers who prioritize engagement, craft, and creativity over raw speed or sheer feature count. By continuing to invest in the X-Pro line, Fujifilm signals its commitment to maintaining this niche and catering to photographers who appreciate thoughtful design and a deliberate approach to image making. This focus ensures that the X-Pro6 is not merely an incremental update but a purposeful tool designed to uphold and advance the legacy of the series. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-Pro6 is more than just a camera, it is an embodiment of a philosophy that values craftsmanship, tactile engagement, and deliberate photographic practice. Its build quality, hybrid viewfinder, ergonomic refinements, and updated imaging capabilities collectively define it as a high-end tool for serious enthusiasts and professionals who value form as much as function. By balancing heritage with innovation, the X-Pro6 is poised to continue Fujifilm's tradition of delivering cameras that inspire, challenge, and reward those who take the time to engage deeply with their craft. Whether for street photography, travel, or hybrid workflows, the Fujifilm X-Pro6 offers a unique and compelling experience that justifies its place in the modern mirrorless landscape.